this video I'm gonna show you 3 of my favorite exercises to relieve back pain. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Elisabetta Brigo, I am a physiotherapist and I'm all about helping people avoid and get rid of pain. So today I'm gonna show you 3 of my favorite exercises to relieve back pain. I'm taking these exercises from the guide I wrote to help you avoid and get rid of back pain from the comfort of your home in just a few minutes a day. If you're interested, I'm gonna link it in the description box below so you can grab it for yourself. So here we go. The first exercise is called pelvic tilts. So what you want to do is lie on the floor with your knees bent and your feet on the floor. Before you start, there should be a space between the floor and your lower back. Inhale, then exhale as you squeeze your abdominals and your glutes to rotate your pelvis posteriorly. Basically, what you want to do is to flatten your lower back on the floor. There should be no space between the floor and your lower back. Then inhale as you come back to the starting position. You can place your hands on your hip bones in order to feel your pelvis rotate back and forth. Pro tip: if you want to increase the difficulty of this exercise, all you have to do is to place your feet farther away from you. This will increase the leverage and make the exercise more difficult for you to perform. You can perform this exercise as soon as you wake up or before going to bed. It's your choice. Now on to the second exercise. This one is called cat-cow. So kneel on the floor with your knees hip width apart and your hands straight in line with your shoulders. Inhale and arch your back, pulling your shoulder blades together towards the spine. Then exhale as you contract your abdominals, pushing your spine up towards the ceiling as far as you can. Then return to the starting position and repeat 10 times very slowly. First you want to arch your back, and in the second phase you want to reverse the movement, pushing your spine towards the ceiling. The third exercise is called supine spine twist, and I promise you it's gonna stretch your whole back and you're gonna feel so good afterwards. This also you can do in bed. So what you want to do is to lie on your back with your knees bent. Bring your arms out to the side with the palms facing down and inhale. Then as you exhale, drop your knees to one side of your body, twisting your spine and lower back. Just let the gravity pull the knees down. You want to keep your shoulders flat on the floor. What you want to move is your lower back. Then inhale again, and as you exhale, go back to the starting position. Repeat on the other side as well for a total of 5 to 10 times on each side. These 3 exercises will help you mobilize your spine and lower back and will help you relieve your lower back pain. If you are interested in avoiding or getting rid of low back pain from home without wasting lots of time, energy and money, I highly recommend that you check out the guide that I wrote to help you avoid and get rid of low back pain from the comfort of your home, which I've linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos every Thursday. I'm Elisabetta Brigo and I can't wait to see you in the next video.